Hey guys, work on the Z28 continues. Today I changed the oil, put fresh oil in it, and the oil filter was especially tough to get off. I'm sure it had been on for a long time. I had to use a breaker bar to get it loose. And I tried to take off the head sensor, but I didn't have the right size wrench, unfortunately. If you look, you can see the temperature sensor right there. Let's see, I'll focus that right there behind that exhaust manifold. It's a pain to get to, but I need to take it off because the temperature will peg on red after just a few minutes of it running, and the PCM temperature will still be low, but I don't like running it with that being in red, even though most likely it's not overheating and it's a fault with the sensor or the gauge. I just want to make sure with an analog temperature sensor. You may also notice I've got the T-tops off and the windows down. I noticed that there was a breaker for the windows, and I changed it, swapped it out for another one, and the windows went down that time, both of them. So I assume it was that breaker. But I'm about to start it back up. This one actually is pretty nice interior. I mean, you've got a torn seat there, which I've seen in a lot of these. But overall, the interior is not bad. The steering wheel's in way better condition than the one in that Camaro over there. Let's see if I've got the keys. Just put a little bit more coolant in it too. It was a touch low. Hold on, I gotta find the keys. Oh, they're actually in the ignition. Fire's right up, got fresh oil. Oop, the door lock. It unlocks. Let's see if this one. Nope, neither of them unlock the doors. So far, the temperature gauge seems to be doing fine. Let's see, maybe nothing will happen. My other set of Camaro keys just fell between the seat there. And actually the temperature gauge is doing fine. Maybe I spoke too soon before, messing with everything, making sure all the coolant was good and full. Hopefully that's the case. But we'll see here. Ride's smooth. Even with that bent wheel. Alright, I just went up under there, and as you can see now the gauge is back working. It must have been loose. I never disconnected it, but I went down there feeling around to see if I could find a short, and the plug just fell out. So I put it back in. You can see the temperature there. You can see the temperature in the PCM. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all look forward to continually seeing this thing as I try to get it back on the road, all put back together and running good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.